Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing an all black makeup brand look, honey. Okay, so first, I know I'm already starting the tutorial, but I got to talk a little bit because I didn't give myself enough time. So this look was inspired by SLADEFACES. She is a black creator on YouTube and Instagram. I saw this look on Instagram. I saved it for a long time. Yeah, I just never did it, but then I was looking and scrolling and I was like, oh my god, this is cute. So this look is inspired by her. Shout out to her. I will leave her Instagram and her YouTube down below, so go check her out. And once again, I said that we are creating a totally black owned makeup brand look on my eyeballs. So I first start off with Juvia's Zulu palette. I created my little cut crease above my eye. I made a line first and then I filled it in with like a more denser brush. And then now we're going into this Festivals palette by Juvia's as well. We're going to go into this pink. We're creating a halo eye, but a two-tone halo eye. So we're going to put the pink in the inner corner. Make sure when you're putting the pink down, don't just place it on top of the purple. Make sure you kind of blend it into the purple a little bit. This makes it easier to blend. Just trust me. And then we're going to go into this Afrique palette and we're going to hit this blue in the corner. Now, I made that face because on camera it looks kind of weird, but then when you put it on my eye, it's really bright. I don't know what was going on, but please be careful because these colors are very, very pigmented and you don't want to put too much on your first go around because we haven't even begun to blend these together. And this is going to take a while because you're going to constantly want to build your colors as you're going. So I take the same brush that I've been placing my colors on and I just basically blend those two together. Now I highly suggest, I have some makeup brush cleaner. I use this faithfully, it's almost gone. And you want to use that to like clean your brushes. Since I'm using the same brush, I don't want my colors to drag into another one if I'm not purposely doing it myself. So this just saves me a lot of time, so that way I don't have to constantly grab a new brush and then what if I accidentally mix a color and blah 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 blah. So I would highly suggest that you get some. It's really a lifesaver, trust me. And don't neglect that purple, guys, because you don't want that to go away either, because that is what's making your halo eye. So make sure you build your colors and blend, okay? And then you can take another brush, which I did here, and just kind of fluff out the edges a little bit so that way it doesn't look so like round and it looks like you blended it even more. Whatever, it's your preference. That's what I did. You don't have to do that. So now you can see that I've built my colors. You can see that they're really popping and vibrant. So this is kind of where you want to get to at this point. Make sure that you can see all of your colors. They're blended well, and so on and so forth. This does take forever, y'all. Like, even though I've shortened it for y'all, it takes a long time. So now you're going to take this Vaseline. I actually stole this from 𝚂𝙾𝙲𝙬 Makeup Academy. Love them. This is a trick to cutting your crease, and I actually prefer it. So you're going to take some Vaseline. You're going to take a brush, which I cleaned that brush because we used it earlier. You're going to take it and you're basically going to create your halo shape. And all you're going to do is basically press it into your eye, right? So once you kind of create your shape, I'll show you what we're going to do next. So have y'all been enjoying the music so far? Yes, that is definitely another black creator, an up-and-coming music producer, beat maker, all of that, and a bag of chips. Y'all better recognize this name, JEVON Angel. Remember it, because when it hits big, just know you heard it here first. Go check him out. I'll leave all of his stuff down below for y'all. Okay, so now you're going to take some Q-tips. Since it's basically an oil, you're going to be able to just rub it right on off. And it creates a really, really, really sharp line. And you would think that when you put the Vaseline on, if you keep on rubbing, it's going to go into the stuff that you didn't put it on, but it doesn't. And that's what really shocked me. So I really like this technique. I usually use lotion, to be completely honest, but I like this. So I probably will keep it into my routine of how I cut my creases and stuff with my more dramatic looks, which are coming soon. So be on the lookout for that. Okay, so now that we have cut our crease with the Vaseline, we're going to cut it again with some concealer. I don't know why I did not show this, which is so weird, but I am using Juvia's Place Concealer in the shade of J23. Once again, so sorry I didn't show it, but that's what I'm using. It's a very light shade, so this helps colors show up very, very, very well. Okay, so now we're going to go into our Magic Mini palette by Juvia's Place, of course, and we're going to go into this purple iridescent color that I'm pointing at. I think it's called 𝚂𝙲𝙬𝙰. And you're basically going to place this in the middle where you just kind of cut your crease. And it's very, very, very pretty, very pigmented, and you're going to see as we continue to place it on in the center how well and pretty it shows up. Okay, so now that we've placed that color in the center, you're going to basically go back into all those colors that we used before, starting with the purple. You're going to hit the inner corner of your eye and the outside corner of your eye. Now, before I even start doing it, I just want to explain to y'all that we're doing the purple first, and we're also basically going to do the opposite of what our eye is doing at the top. So the inner corner has pink. Now on the outside corner, we're doing pink, if that makes any sense. So do your purples, and then you're going to hit pink on the outside corner. And you just basically want to keep on building your colors until you can see it completely. Now we're going to do the inside corner. It's going to have blue. And then you can touch it up as needed and go back in with the shimmery purple shade as well. Okay, so now that we've done that, here comes the fun part. We're going to go into this company called Glit Your Life in the shade of Purple Slush, and we're basically going to put this glitter. It is a chunky glitter, and you're going to put this on the middle of your halo eye. You're going to take some Duos glue or any type of eyelash glue that you use. I use Duos, and it's the brush kind. And this doesn't have to be perfect. You can put this on any old type of way. It's going to dry clear, so you won't see it. And it's not going to mess up your eyeshadow. And you're just going to take a flathead brush like I have right here, and you're just going to place it to your liking on how you want it. Some people might want more chunks. I prefer a good mixture of chunks and little pieces. I really like this glitter. It looks like you're not going to be able to see it, but it shows up so well, and I love it. So now we're basically going to smoke out our lower lash line. And you're going to take that same concealer I was using before by Juvia's Place and put that down below, so that way you kind of have a base for the colors to actually stick to instead of just your skin. Okay, so now this is where it gets confusing again. I decided to match the top of my halo eye. So I did the pink on the inner corner and the blue on the outside corner. So it basically makes a whole circle and a continuous circle of color. So once again, do your pink on the inner corner, blue on the outer corner, and then you're going to take your purple and go above both of those two colors, like more deeper into your lash line, if that makes any sense. I know, I'm so sorry, y'all. I really suck at explaining this stuff. So I decided to throw my lashes on off camera, and these lashes are also a black owned company, and they are called Candy Lash Company, and this is the style Cherie. I really like these lashes. They're fluffy yet dramatic and lightweight, and they just really fit this look. They made them pop. Alright, and that is it for this video. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you stayed all the way to the end, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And while you're at it, go ahead and check out some of my other videos that I have on my channel as well. But until then, I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!